down with the the fucking is the sound. I haven't seen anyone do it, and the way I learned it is by trying to learn sub bass when I was starting beatboxing, and I want to teach you the sound because I think it's a cool sound. I've seen people do the codfish, like, and when I do it, people think it's that one, but it's not because I can tap it. I don't have any cleanliness in it, or like I don't have it clean because I don't use it a lot. The only time I use it is for that one drop. And when people ask about it, or when I mention it and I say I'm doing that lip roll by smiling, because if you do lip rolls, you have to kind of like frown, right? You go. But when I do it, you just kind of smile, open up like the top side, and just breathe in. This is teeth lip roll. So sometimes I kind of mask it by making this appear deeper by doing so I go you see the difference? That's it. I just haven't seen anyone use it. It's my special sound, but I wanted to show it. You can, if you learn it, then good for you, I guess. I just haven't seen anyone use it, and I've been the only one for the past 3 years. Or maybe someone knows it too, but I just haven't seen them ever use it. Maybe it's a shit sound, but I learned it by accident because I was trying to learn this. And I didn't watch anything, so I was like, oh! And they're like, wait, that's not it, but kinda cool. I don't know if Very could use it. I do not use it. But yeah, it's kinda heavy. Yeah. There you go. Smile. Open up the side. Like this. You have to kind of like you're disgusted. Yeah, I'll do it on the other side, which I haven't trained. Okay, you're gonna die. It hurts the jaw. It hurts the jaw. But yeah, I don't know. There you go. I just thought of doing a video about it and just showing it to people. If there is some beatboxers that would like to expand on their sounds, there you go.